Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Ukmar bin Jamal and I am civil engineering student, and today I would like to present my ECM157 group work. So let's go. Okay, this is my team members. First one is me, Muhammad Ukmar bin Jamal. Second one is my classmate, alias my roommate, Muhammad Hakimi Amal bin Zainuddin. The third one, Anas Amsyah bin Osmi, and the last one, Lob Ahmad Dani bin Lob Mahdir. And we are from PEC 1101C2. We would like to present about water pollution. The first one, what is water pollution? Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies with a negative impact on their users. And is it usually a result of human activities? Water bodies including lakes, river, oceans, water, reservoirs and groundwater. Water pollution results when a contamination mixed with these water bodies. So water pollution may affect their surface water or the groundwater, and this form of pollution can lead to many problems. Okay, before we see the effect of the water pollution, we're gonna talk about factor of water waste. Okay. The factors of water waste, we have 4 factors. The first one is solid waste and plastic. Solid waste can enter water bodies through untreated sewage, combined sewer overflow, urban runoff, and people discarding garbage into the environment. The microplastic from the clothing, primarily due to the erosion of polyester, acrylic, or nylon-based clothing, often during a washing process. Second one is agricultural. This pollution was the top contamination in river, lakes, and wetlands. It is also a major contributor of contamination to the groundwater. Every time it rains, fertilizer, pesticides, and animal waste from the farm wash the pathogen such as bacteria, viruses into our waterways. The third one is sewage and water waste. Used water are waterways, and it comes from sinks, showers, and toilets. Also from the commercial industrial and agriculture activities. So these pollutants have a pathogen, phosphorus, and nitrogen in sewage, as well as heavy metals and toxic chemical in industrial waste. Okay, the last factors of water waste is industrial waste. Water waste from many industrial may come in contact with a harmful chemical. These chemicals may include organic compounds, metals, nutrients, or radioactive material. If wastewater is discharged without treatment, the effect groundwater and the surface water bodies can become polluted, and this can bring to a serious impact on human health and the environment. So that's all from me. Let's go to another.
The objective of the experiments is to understand the effects that harmful chemical on water resource. There are 8 types of material and equipment to carry out the experiment. You need 4 empty jars, 4 labels, 1 jug, 1 teaspoon, vinegar, washing detergent, fertilizer, water body such as local pond and stream. There are 7 procedures to carry out water pollution experiment. The first step is visit water body like local pond or stream and collect a jug full of water that have pond weed or algae living in it. Make sure you collect enough so that you can put the same amount in each of your jars. The second step is take your water home and divide it evenly between the 4 jars. The third step is make sure to label each jar so you know which chemical are going in each. We have used label and sticky tape. The fourth step is take 1 teaspoon of vinegar and add it to one of the jars, 1 teaspoon of washing detergent and put it in the second jar, and 1 teaspoon of fertilizer and put it in the third jar. Leave the fourth jar without any pollutant in it so that you have a controlled jar. This means you can see what the water would look like with no pollution in it and compare it to the water that have polluted. The fifth step is put the lids on the jars but leave them slightly open so oxygen can still get in it. Keep all the jars in the same temperature room so the experiment is equal. The sixth step is look at the jars every day for 2 weeks and take picture of how the water changes as time goes on. After 2 weeks, observe how the water with the pollutants in it to control the jar without pollution in it. Safety precaution. Wear safety gloves when handling all the equipment and chemical. Last but not least, carry out the experiment outside.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Hakim Ahmad Zabuddin. Today I want to represent about my part. My part is result of experiment. The first thing is control jar, and the result is pond regrowing, water did not turn to any color. Second jar is fertilizer, and the result is a big pond dye, water turn to murky color. Third jar is washing detergent, and the result is all pond dye, water to a murky color. And the last jar is vinegar, all pond dyes, water to a murky color. From part this year, we can see that all jar have a same result except control jar. And the second part is civil engineering solution for water pollution. Wastewater treatment is one of civil engineering solution. How to take wastewater? First is primary treatment, secondary treatment, trickling filter, activate sludge, oxidation bond, rotating biological contactor, tertiary treatment, influent polishing, and the lastly is removal of plant nutrient. That's it for me. Thank you.
Now we are moving on to conclusion for civil engineering solutions. This method can treat water to be more clean and safe to use again, other than just release the water waste that contain chemical, pathogen and heavy metal back to the water body like rivers, lakes and groundwater. If the water waste didn't get treated well and still have harmful chemical, substance and other things, it can kill aquatic animals and can be dangerous for human health if they use it. Now we are reaching to the end of the slide, and this is the conclusion of our slide. To conclude, there are many effects that can be contributed to water pollution. If this situation can't be comprehended, our water resource can be severely damaged by our own hands. With the experiment that we had conducted, it will help prevention of water pollution. By following the growth of technology, scientists and engineers has developed to help reducing the impact of water pollution. For example, agricultural irrigation technology that use plants to absorb chemical waste contained by water. Thus, this will contribute by reducing the effects of water pollution. And now we have reached the end of the slide. I just want to say, save the earth from water pollution, save the earth for next generation. Thank you for paying attention during the presentation. I hope you guys stay with us until the end of the session, not like others that left before arriving at the destination. Thank you and have a nice day.